For those of you who have been watching our puppies grow and evolve and eventually go to their police departments, keep in mind that every puppy has a level of progression that we really try to gauge. And this is at that time when the dogs really start coming into their own and showing their true capabilities. This first video in particular is really amazing. Pay close attention to this young pup and how good it really does. Actually better than a lot of adult dogs we see. You like this focus?
Trying to figure it out.
See how he just discriminated right off you?
Yeah, good elimination.
Awesome.
So the reason why he's stuck in this corner is we've never done a turn before. And we've got this wind going left to right, and it's blowing a lot of scent there. But see, he learned from that last one. Look at that. Watch this. You see that?
Oh my goodness! Good boy! Good boy! Good boy! Oh, I saw you do that. Good boy. Oh, good boy! Good boy! Yeah.